Hey, good morning guys. We're gonna go out here for a e-trike ride. I like to take the e-trike out because I can do it with one hand. The e-bike, I feel like I want both hands on it, so I'll take the e-trike out, but I like to go out here and just chat a little bit. It's not bad out today. It was 65 degrees when I left the house. So we're gonna talk a little bit today about technology. This is technology is so interesting from when I was a kid. I was born in '53, so I remember a little bit of the 50s, but I remember more in the 60s. So anyways, but technology back then, we had 3 television channels, 3, 5, and 8 back up in Ohio, up around Cleveland, that we had. And today, what we got, hundreds? In fact, people don't even, they stream a lot now rather than use television. They use streaming sources and stuff. Some of them still have the local cable, but a lot of them got rid of the cable and have went to streaming services. There's Amazon has a streaming service. You've got your Roku system. You can stream to the little older televisions. You've got your what is those? Some of the prime networks that you can get. People like Netflix and Hulu and all that. So that's changed a lot. Back in the day, we didn't even have a remote control on our television. It was get up and change the channels by hand. And sometimes your parents would tell the kids to get up, hey, go up and change that channel, put it on channel 2, you know. And so we had to get up out of our chairs to just go change TV channels. But that's just television alone. I mean, we had these great big old, they were a small screen, you know, I don't know, what, 20-inch or so was a tube TV. A lot of times the picture was grainy. It was fuzzy. It was, you know, just not a great picture. Now everything's digital and that. But, you know, beyond that, then probably in the 70s and stuff, when computers came about, I had a computer way back when they first came out. We just had DOS system, DOS, disk operating system. Just notice over here they took down a couple trees. It looked different here. So anyways, the disk operating system was the first computer. I had a one of those as a Tandy. I got it at Radio Shack. It was an 8088. That was the first real. But before that, I had the one that had like a cassette drive. Oh gosh, can't think of the name of it right now, but barely did anything. You know, just used little DOS programs, you know. The screen was antiquated and just little stick figures, looks like any little game or something that you might see. So anyways, that was the first thing I had with computers, was the pretty much nothing. Your typical cell phone now has more computing capacity than the first computer. In fact, it has more capacity than the first space shuttle. Even the more computing, maybe not the space shuttle, but what I want to say, Apollo, when they went to the moon, they had more space then on it. People are doing their tree limbs. Barely got it off the sidewalk here. I guess it's that time of year everybody's trimming trees. I need some trimming at home. But anyways, that was some the first computer stuff I had. But when you think of the stuff that we have now, like this camera I'm using, a 4K camera, I've got it stuck on the end of a selfie stick with a wireless microphone so you can hear me, and hopefully not getting a lot of wind noise or nothing. There's more technology there. But you know, our cell phones when I was a kid would have been kind of amazing to know that you had your own personal telephone, you know, that you could use on your own. It's like we had party lines, not even a single private line back when I was a kid, that there would be other people on your party line, and you could hear them. Sometimes they'd pick them up and listen to each other talk and that. Now today, has it gotten any better? Well, yes and no. Now, how many of you guys get all these telemarketing calls? It's like, it's crazy. Every time the phone rings there and it's a spam call and they want to know your credit card stuff. I want to show you these birds up here. These birds, they're pretty cool. They go around house to house and eat bugs. Aren't those cool? So anyways, I got sidetracked here a little bit. But yeah, the quality, right now we get all these spam calls and stuff. But you know, even I got a newer phone recently, and it'll even block a lot of those. So it's getting better. Our government's supposed to help us block them, but they really don't. You can sign up, but you still get them. But then I have just recently got on order a watch. Now we have a smart watch, and I went through and did a lot of research on these watches. I'm going to be doing a product review on that. It should be coming here next few days. But this watch will just about do everything that my computer will do. You know, that's pretty amazing. Like I can even receive and do telephone calls on this watch. I don't know if any of you guys are old enough to remember, what was it, Dick Tracy? I didn't watch him much, but I remember he had this watch and he could talk on this watch, and it's like, that was pretty futuristic, you know. Dick Tracy would make, but you can do that now. And so I've got one of those coming, you know. Mainly this technology stuff, I just love checking it out, you know. Do I need it? No, I don't need all that stuff, but I enjoy just checking it out. So we got that coming up next, and this one will actually track your fit. It'll, from what I understand, like on the e-bike here, I can track how many miles I went, how fast I went, and all that with it. I do that now with another little, I'll show you down below here. There's a little black thing down there. That tracks all my mileage and stuff, and it does it on a map. When I go back, it'll upload it automatically to my computer. I can see where I went, how long I went, calories I burnt. But I think in this watch will even do that on its own, which would be pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm 60, you'll be soon 67 years old, and the technology in my lifespan has been so tremendous that it's like, it's unreal. Flying cars aren't here. A lot of people thought we'd have flying cars by now, but I think they're coming. They're working on self-driving cars, you know. And somewhat it feels kind of scary, but a lot of airplanes are completely fly on their own, you know. That's interesting part. So the capability of this stuff, you know, it's out there. We'll get across this road here. They come flying around this corner. People don't slow down for nothing, and you're always worried that somebody's going to hit you. I always like to go up this area up here. This is at the end of the airport. I see someone else is up here too. You can watch airplanes come in and out. Here comes another plane in. But anyways, the pretty interesting in the technology today and how it goes. So I thought I'd yak on a little bit about it. So hey guys, in the comments below, leave what you think is the greatest technology that you've witnessed, you know, in your lifespan, and what you think is awesome. I know me as a gadget freak, it's a great time to be alive and see all this stuff. So let us know. Here comes an airplane in right there. So I like to watch it, planes come in over here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. We're out here doing a little riding around. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. So we'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, if you click in the section below, we're an Amazon affiliate. If you click on that link, that'll take you right to Amazon, and we'll get a small percentage of everything you order, and it absolutely costs you nothing. It's like giving us a tip. If you'd like to order t-shirts, we have a t-shirt shop in Teespring. Click on that link and you can go in and get t-shirts, coffee chat mugs, and there's also stickers there. If you'd like to order one of our stickers, you can go to the PayPal link and order a sticker. Just put your name, address, and how many stickers you like. Or if you'd like to just give us a tip, you can also do that through the PayPal link. We thank you for your support.